So guys, the all-new iPhone 18 Pro Max is coming, and honestly, it might be one of Apple's biggest upgrades in years. From a powerful new chip to camera improvements and a premium design, this phone is already creating hype even before launch. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down. And before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more latest tech updates. Starting with the design, Apple is expected to keep its premium look, but with some refinements. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature a large 6.8 to 6.9-inch OLED display with smoother refresh rates and better power efficiency. There are also rumors of a smaller dynamic island, giving you more screen space and a cleaner look. Overall, expect a more polished and refined flagship feel. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where things get interesting. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to come with Apple's new A20 Pro chip, built on advanced technology, making it faster and more efficient than ever. This means better gaming, smoother multitasking, and improved battery life. Basically everything you want in a flagship device. Now, the camera, one of the biggest highlights. Two leaks suggest a triple 48-megapixel camera setup, which means sharper images, better low-light performance, and improved video quality. There are also rumors of new camera technologies like variable aperture, which could take mobile photography to the next level. So if you're into content creation, this phone could be a game changer. Battery-wise, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to pack around 5,000 mAh battery, along with better efficiency thanks to the new chip. You'll also get 5G connectivity, iOS 27, improved AI features, and overall better performance. Now, let's talk about the price. The expected starting price in the US is around $1,199, similar to previous Pro Max models. Some leaks even suggest it could go up to around $1,299, depending on variants. As for the launch, Apple is expected to release the iPhone 18 Pro Max in September 2026, following its usual schedule. So yeah, the iPhone 18 Pro Max looks powerful, premium, and packed with upgrades. But remember, all of this is based on leaks and reports. Nothing is officially confirmed yet. Let me know in the comments, would you upgrade to this phone or not? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech content. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.